Hey you guys, welcome back. Today I'm making chicken alfredo with asparagus. Here's my asparagus here I have to cut up. And here's my pasta here that I'm using for my alfredo. And my water is come to a complete boil. So now it's time for me to add my noodles. Now how are you today you guys? I hope all is well. Okay. So, and here's my chicken over here, you guys. I have it. I'm going to do the chicken breast. And then after that, I'm going to cut it up. I'm going to season it and I'm going to cut it up. I have it cooking in butter. And I'm going to show you the seasonings I'm going to be using. Yes, I am. I got eggs rolling all over the place. Okay. Here's my seasoning. Okay. Alright. Let's get started and seasoning the chicken. My black pepper. Slap your mama. Slap your mama. And here is my dash. You can use any seasoning you like, you guys. And onion powder. That was the top. And add a little bit more butter. At the bottom of this. Then once that, I'm going to season the other side, you guys. So I'm going to let that continue to cook. And so you got to wash your noodles because you see they boil over. Okay, so what I'm about to do now, you guys, I'm about to do my asparagus. Okay, my asparagus is all chopped. You don't want that part. You only want this part, you guys. That is trash. Okay? So, my noodles are still boiling. My chicken is smelling so good in here. And that's what we want. Okay, you guys. Here's my chicken all chopped up. Now I'm finna put it back in the skillet. And let it get a little bit more browning. Then I'm going to season it again. Okay, you guys, here go my garlic toast right here. Fresh and hot out the oven. Yes, indeed. And here go my homemade chicken alfredo. I hope you guys can see that. And I topped it off with parsley. Okay, you guys, and I topped it off with parsley. There's chicken all through here, you guys. So, yes, indeed, I'm finna get ready to eat a bite. And I thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye for now.